Why is a newborn's first-year brain development so fast? Imagine a tiny brain that is growing and changing at a pace faster than any other time in life. That's what happens during a newborn's first year. It might seem like a small period, but it is packed with incredible growth. The reason for this rapid change is that the brain is building the foundation for everything a child will do later in life. At birth, the brain is already formed but still immature. It needs to grow and refine itself to support all the skills a baby will develop. One big reason for this fast development is the creation of neural connections. In the first few months, the brain makes billions of synapses, which are the connections between nerve cells. These connections help the baby process what they see, hear, and touch. They all support basic reflexes like sucking and grasping. These connections are influenced by both the baby's genes and what they experience. That's why talking, singing, and playing with your baby are so important. They help shape these neural pathways early on. Different parts of the brain develop at different speeds. The areas responsible for movement and sensing touch grow quickly to help the baby learn to crawl, reach, and explore. Meanwhile, the parts that handle thinking, problem-solving, and understanding social cues develop more slowly but still grow a lot during this first year. This pattern of growth helps the baby start to understand the world around them. The brain is also very adaptable during this time. It is called plasticity. This means it can change based on what the baby experiences. For example, hearing language sounds early on helps the brain recognize and learn the sounds of their native language. This kind of early exposure is vital for speech and language skills later. Blood flow to the brain also increases during this period. More blood means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to support rapid growth. This process helps with the formation of new cells, the insulation of nerve fibers called myelination, and the strengthening of connections. There are also critical periods in this first year when the brain is especially receptive to certain types of learning. For example, social interactions and language exposure during these times can shape future skills. Missing out on these experiences can affect how the brain develops later. From a pediatrician's point of view, understanding how quickly a baby's brain grows highlights the importance of good nutrition, a safe environment, and responsive caregiving. Simple activities like talking, singing, and gentle touch support healthy brain growth. Monitoring developmental milestones helps ensure the baby is on track and allows for early help if needed. In short, a newborn's brain develops so fast because it is building the essential structures and connections needed for all future learning and skills. This rapid growth is driven by biological processes and shaped by the experiences a baby has in their first year.